Really fun having no power steering, I'll tell you that. Oh. He just stopped at the door and lodged me in. Alright, progress update. This is all just of today. New shocks on there. You can't, yeah, now you can. The yellow ones. Shoot, sorry. Got the carpet in and the seat is bolted in this time. We're just gonna let the carpet sit all night. I actually want to take this out of there. Just gonna let the carpet sit all night to form. I don't want to shut that door. Come back here to the gas tank. We got this all powder coated, not powder coated, what's it called? It's this stuff here. Rubberized undercoating. So it does kind of have like that Line-X texture to it. Parts of it are still drying. Cherry bombs. These are the old ones that were on there. Although before and after pic. I just took it on my phone. But whatever. There you go. Those are painted red. And a very crappy paint job. For no reason. Next Wednesday, which is 4 days away. I think, 4. We got a... This is just gonna be easier if I show you. But on the gas tank here, there is a little hole right there. I don't know if you can see the duct tape outline. Yeah, you can. There's a little hole right in there. And I bought this with the gas tank, thinking it was like the one for the sending unit, but it's already obviously way too small. Well, it goes in there, and this is like a hole for the rollover deal. It's like a vent / rollover pipe, I think that's what it's called. That'll be here Wednesday. And this just goes on it, and then that goes in the hole. And then Wednesday, everything will get in, the gas tank will get in, the straps will get in. Then I will take this down. 6 miles down the road, there's a shop there with the junkyard. The guy there is gonna do exhaust, rear shock mounts, rear shocks, and front springs. I have those bought, I just need them thrown on. Gonna buy another one of these from the junkyard. It's got like the wood grain stuff in there. That's not the reason I'm buying it, although it does match that. The holes that hold this up are this one right in the middle there, in the middle there, there, and then here and here. They're all broke, so it kind of sags. We're building a nice truck. So we're gonna take that off and buy a better one. But yeah, that's a progress update for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.